Since getting this new keyboard, I feel like I'm typing faster, so I decided to test the theory with the typing test, doing a 1 minute English typing test featuring the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Yeah, I typed 90 words per minute. That's like way faster than my normal 70. So I love this keyboard.